Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss about very important question that many of our viewers have. That is an FUT scar such a big concern that they are going to oversee everything that an FUT surgery can bring to the table? So let us ask from the expert, Dr. Shaill Gupta.
Hi. So this is such a big concern which people have regarding the scar of FUT. Many people think that FUT is going to give you such a big scar that if you shave it off, it will be like a horror. And let me tell you, we use a technique called trichophytic closure, and it is not only the viewers, so many of our patients also, they have these questions in mind that okay, FUT is going to give me a big scar, and all the advantages which FUT offers, like you can maximize the use of donor area, you can do it 2 or 3 times, you can make full use of 100% hair which are present in that portion. But yes, it's been marketed in such a way that people get scared. So the primary concern is FUT scar. Let me tell you, we have a technique called trichophytic closure where the edge of the wound is removed in such a way that hair grows through scar tissue. So you actually get a lot of hair which are growing through the scar tissue. And if you keep a very small length of one cut, maybe one or two number, you don't see the scar.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it is only when the patient goes for zero cut that the scar would be visible.
Yes, exactly. So when a person goes for a zero cut, the scar will be visible. So let me remind you, many times people think that FUE is a scarless surgery. No.
FUE also leaves behind a lot of scars, as we can see in this picture, and FUE can give very less number of grafts as compared to FUT. So if a patient has limited donor area and they want to maximize the yield, they should definitely go for FUT.
And second important point, suppose if you have a scar already, and different people heal differently. In some patients, we can have slightly broad scars also. Even if you want to keep a zero shave, there are two options where you can cover those scars up. So one option is scalp micropigmentation. Very simple technique. You can just put small dots of tattoo and the scar is gone. You can keep zero shave. Now, the second option is we can extract some grafts by FUE technique, maybe 50, 100, 150, depending upon the width of the scar, and we can put those grafts in that portion, and the scar is gone. So even if you want to keep zero shave, you can do that.
So that's really amazing to know, because many of our patients and viewers are afraid of going for an FUT surgery just based on the scar. So that's a really great information, because many of our viewers just do not go for FUT surgery thinking that the scar will be a very horror story. So that's not the truth, and as we just discussed, the scar is very minimal and that can also be minimalized by doing some techniques. So you should always have options, you should always have choices. So whenever you are considering a hair transplant, consider the pros and cons of both the treatments, and the scar should not be a major con.
Yeah, and if you have questions, please do ask us. We will make videos, we'll answer those questions, because we understand how important hair restoration is for you, and it's a very important decision of your life. And if you haven't already subscribed the channel, subscribe it. Don't forget to press the bell icon to receive all the notifications. And if you like the information, do share it with your friends so that more and more people are aware of the truth and the true facts. Thank you and stay blessed.